Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back at again with another video. And today I'm just going to put my front lip on my EP3 and then just go wash my car, so let's go. So in the kit I got the front lip, I got a free air freshener, 2 stickers, the fittings, and the instructions, which we don't need because who uses instructions these days? You just watch a video. Oh wait, I'm making the video. So we might need that actually. Definitely needs a wash. The shelf itself. So we parked up and now I'm just going to put the lip on, if I know how. So what you're going to do is, underneath the car there's like 4 10mm bolts at the front. But yeah, should be an easy install because it's all done for you. I'm going to go get the tools and slap this thing on. So this is my toolbox. Shout out Ariana Grande. That's my old turbo Corolla. Always got to have a picture of it. And that's a little young LaMelo Ball. And these are just some random toys I collected, just working as a mechanic. So 10mm, but one thing I've learned as a mechanic is just bring a 12 just in case. I know like you gotta have confidence in yourself, but you know, you don't want to be walking back to your toolbox. You love that, huh? Make sure you wear your steel caps when you're working on cars, alright? Alright, so that's what we need. For real? The car's too low, I can't put the gun on there. So one of the clips for the under tray's messed up, like it's all threaded, so I can't get it through. That's why it's taking so long. I don't want to be doing this all night. So now I might just put a washer and a nut on the other end and then should be good. I don't really want to do this, but when it's threaded you don't have much choice but to use cable ties. So I'm gonna just have to cable tie this last thing on. And of course it has to rain too. So for now that cable tie is just gonna have to do. But we'll get a bolt soon. Now the last step I guess is just to drill it in on the sides and then that's it. I'm probably gonna have to jack it up for that part, which I do not want to do, in the rain especially. So it just started raining, so I had to pack everything up, but literally all I had to do was lift the car up and then put some more bolts and washers in. So hopefully it clears up today so I can finish it up, but if not I'll just do it tomorrow. Alright, well it stopped raining now, so literally all you have to do is drill a few holes in the bar and then send some bolts and washers up. If you never jacked a car up before, I'll make a how-to on it. Nah, I'm just joking. It's the easiest thing ever. So we like first try, boys. That should do it because we don't need the car too high. We just need it enough so it can put the drill through. So once you've drilled the hole and you put the nut and washer in, you just want to repeat the steps on both sides. I don't know why they give you so many washers, but apparently you have to full pack them in. So yeah, that's the front lip, I guess. It looks pretty gangster. Now you just gotta lower it. Oof. All my cars were heaps low before. It was so annoying because you can't do anything, but it's like the perfect, like, practical height. And all it needs is side skirts now. I was gonna get the flow design ones, but you can get Evo 8 ones that fit straight in. They'll look pretty hot. So yeah.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get jank. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got thudders.
Alright YouTube, thank you so much for watching. I know I didn't go wash my car, but I didn't want to go and wash it and then it's gonna rain, so we'll save that video for another day. Till next time guys, peace.